tiny internet. We're just going to goof around a little bit here in BeamNG.drive. And I figured we'd try something kind of fun with, let's go to good old Endless Highway. Here you can spawn all kinds of crap, and doesn't really tend to chug up or choke up on the scenery. You just kind of focus on rendering the cars and keeping the frame rates good. So I had an idea about trying to run away from some muscle cars in a pickup truck and see just how far can you get. So let's start off by throwing in some muscle cars. Something a little faster too, as I know they got little special variants. There we go. The Night Snake. That sounds kind of cool. And we'll throw in the other one there, King Snake. Throw that in. That looks sketch. Let's see. Throw on I don't want to do the drag because that'll just kind of mess everything up. So put in the track sport as well. That's 3 good ones. Let's throw in. Screw it. Let's just throw in the drag too. That thing's an absolute weapon, but throw him in. I want to have 10 cars chasing us. So throw in the drag Buick here, Buick Special. I'm gonna back him up a bit though. Oh yeah. This is gonna be sketchy. Let's put him back here. So we'll have a couple waves coming after us. Let's see. Is there any other high performance version of the custom? I think that's. Yeah, we'll throw him in too. What else can we throw in? Throw in, let's see. Kind of don't want to do anything modern, so let's kind of stick with the old muscle car theme. Throw in the race. We'll throw in the drag. Also throw in, let's see, the Elite Custom. And the Special V8, yeah. There's 6. Let's go for a dozen. Even dozen. We'll throw in Sport. We'll throw in the detective's car too. Ooh. See, this always gets sketchy. When you get up to around a dozen, you really run the risk of a crash happening. I tend to notice that that's really kind of pretty much the maximum you can do. Alright, now the next one is... So we're 12 here, so hopefully the next one I'm going to give myself a truck to run away from. And it won't crash the whole thing. You can already tell it's starting to get slow in the menu. myself the long haul fifth wheel. Let's do it white. I just like that truck in white. And spawn new in. Woo! Thank God it didn't crash. Alright. So I'm gonna try to frame rate's kinda dipped. I'm gonna try to get out ahead of them. And while I'm running, got some speed up, I'm gonna tell the AI to chase me. And the drag cars will probably catch up to me very quickly. Alrighty, let's switch to this view. Just when they get out of sight, I'm going to tell them to chase me. I have to try to be quick about it too. Get back on the gas and try to keep running. Alright, they're out of sight. Let's go to AI. Chase. Ooh, no, 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 don't flip off. Oh, oh God, here they come already. Oh, here comes the drag cars. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Woo! The drag cars can't. Oh, they're wrecking. They can't catch up. Ooh, but they're. Oh, oh. Oh, the Buick regained control. I gotta try to dodge him. And he's out. Oh God! No! 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 I almost crashed myself, not paying attention. The others are catching up now. I'm just gonna try to run, as I will not be able to. I will not be able to outmaneuver these guys. Oh, he's caught up in my rear wheels. Oh no, 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 no. Oh crap. Oh! He took both my fuel tanks off. Oh God, here they come. Ooh, this one's gonna hurt. Oh! Yeah, I would be dead. I would be dead. Hey, the truck still, somehow the truck someone's still driving it. The engine is being starved of oil. Alright. Well. Anything else I want to try? It says reset the whole thing. Go to. Let's just go to flat open space. I want a flat open space. Because I want to try. See if I can set up this thing here, a large spinner. If I can get this thing for the artificial intelligence to drive it, and that way I can just have it spin, and I can have whatever I want and drive into it. Now, let's just take the Buick. blender. Oop. That's not a good spot to spawn. Oh, that ain't pretty. Alright, get out of there. You're running out of here. Oh, come on. Alright, well, let's try this. We'll just spawn in something else. Hopefully, there we go, out of the view. And I just say, come chase me. Alright. Well, that's not going to work the way I wanted to. Let's just shake this. Whoa! Yep, that's instability right there, definitely. Let's before we crash the game, let's just restart the whole freaking map. Well, so much for keeping it simple. That went to hell real fast. So, let's try this again. Uh-oh. I think we broke the game. Press. No, I don't want to do that. Go away. Go away, silly Xbox stuff. No, it's not on Xbox, it's on PC. Just all that wonderful Windows 10 integration crap. Let's put some trucks in here. Oh, I know what to do. Yeah, here we go. Let's see how this thing would do with the blender. So I'm gonna take the truck. And we'll go to vehicles. This ridiculous thing. And we're gonna get rid of that wall. No, you know what? Let's keep the wall. I got an idea here. Let's go with... Yeah, man. Let's... Oh, well that wasn't intended, but you know what? Screw it. Will it blend? Nope. Alright. Screw it. Get out of here. Come on. Negative Earth. Oh, here we go. There we go. And we broke the game again. Alright, let's start over. Free roam. Spawn. Alrighty. This time... vehicles. How should I do? How do I want to work this so I don't end up creating a big disaster again? Let's go ahead. We'll spawn this. And we will... Oh, I gotta go to... Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know how we'll do this. I'm gonna spawn the trucks. First. We'll just keep it simple. We'll do 3 cement trucks. And then I'll pull out a head. Put up the blender. And then I'll line up all the trucks by the entrance, and they can go in one by one. Now I can safely turn into the smasher. Large spinner. Ugh, it's 180 degrees off, but not a big deal. Now I can go here. There we go. Really? Nailed it. Apparently you can't do that with cement trucks. So they go right up that ramp. It's a little bit off. Alright, perfect. Now, go to the next. I'm going to put each one a little bit further out than... Oh, no, 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 no. Almost flipped it again. Next one. There we go. Alright. Yeah. Here we go. Now hopefully they'll make it up this ramp. If not, probably the ones in the back will smash and knock the others in the front. But alright, here's the scenario. 3 cement trucks, 1 blender. Let's make it happen. Chase me! Will they blend? Who's gonna make it up that? Come on! Oh! Oh no! Come on, buddy, help your brother in! Yeah! this guy's gonna launch. Nope. Reverse it. Gotta clear that jam. Come on! Here we go. Oh, jamming up. And well, I guess that kind of answers the question. I mean, it's kind of blending. And we crashed the game. Well, anyways, that answers the question. Yes, a cement truck will blend.